At Stormore Sheds, we specialize in building amazing high-quality buildings, but we can also get your site prepped prior to the arrival of your storage shed. We are going to be installing an 8x12 American Classic in this spot, but we are first going to build a 4x4 pressure-treated perimeter, level it, and then fill it in with crushed gravel. Preparing the ground like this is not required, but when complete will make the entire job look much more aesthetically pleasing to the eye and also help ensure the shed has proper drainage around it and remain level for years to come.
Yeah.
Hook her back. Are you on the corner?
Yeah.
We have our project all complete. Let's go check it out. This is an 8x12 American Classic with 8-foot sidewalls, 12-inch overhangs on all four sides, horizontal cottage lap siding, 2 4x1 fixed windows, and our double garden doors. It looks amazing, and we have one happy customer.